Yeah.
I believe it.
There's my poor little car. Going to where cars go when they get flooded with salt water. Sea water. We've had some good times. Oh yeah. Let's see what insurance is gonna do for me. I have flood insurance. Oh, there she goes. Ay, ay, ay. Unbelievable. Thank you, Hurricane Sandy. 2012. Coney Island, USA. Oh, it got real. It got real, real. Alright, I'm done talking. Water is still coming out. And it really stank in there. It stank really bad. Well, that was fast. Yeah, leaves everywhere. Look at that. Leaves and branches. Oh, get up all in there. Salt water and mechanics do not mix.